This is a test of the Sigma 55-pound thrust engine, electric motor for a small boat. Everybody on the internet has been speculating how fast is this engine in practice, because there's no horsepower indication of this engine. I would say the horsepower may be 0.7 to maybe max 2 horsepower, but it actually works very well. It's fast enough. We are having a speed of about 5 to 6 kilometers per hour, and it's really quiet. You can talk in this inflatable boat we actually is using now. We are 2 persons in the boat. This is Per, which is driving the boat right now. And as you can see, we can speak freely. There's no engine noise at all. And we have been using the 75 ampere hour battery for about 1 hour now at full speed. And there's no indication that it is empty right now. I would think we can go for another hour before it's empty. So this is a really nice experience. We have been speaking all the time. This is new in a small boat like this. If you use the petrol engine, this will make a lot of noise. As you can see, we have a steady speed, and it's so quiet and nice. This is something I would say many people should try. This is the Sigma engine. It's also called Shakespeare. I think you should have it for a try. It's not very expensive engine. And it's very easily set up. You just have to put the battery on and just flip on the cables to the engine. The engine weighs maybe about 10 kilos. And the battery, that's about 18 kilos. And then you're up running. It's so easy and it's so quiet. And it seems like the engine really performs very well on when there's a lot of people in the boat. It actually performs just as well. It's about 4 to 6 kilometers per hour, depending of course of the wind and the water in general, but this is it. It's really worth trying. So goodbye here from Denmark.